In this video, we are going to write our first program, which is Hello World program. And so we have opened IntelliJ IDEA for that, and we'll the program structure goes like function fun main. I'll be explaining the program to you in a while. Println is a command for printing a statement, and hello world. Okay, so when I run this program, this gives me, okay, so you can run a program from here and here also. So I prefer running program from here. Okay, so this gives me an output as hello world. Okay, so what it does is like what I will be explaining you the part of the program. So what is the fun? The fun is a word in Kotlin programming language or many programming language, and fun stands for function. A function is section of program that performs a specific task. So I can create another function in the same program. So this is the fun represents a function, and main is the name of this function. This particular function has a name main. Function have names so they can be distinguished from each other. The function is called main because it is the first or the main function that is called when you run the program. So whenever I run the program, it search for the main function, and that is run every time you run the. So fun main is the function main function. Okay, the function name is always followed by a parenthesis. This is the parenthesis, open and close parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you can put information for the function to use. Okay, so whatever information the function is using, you can put it there. Now there are curly braces outside this fun main. So these curly braces, inside these curly braces we write the task we have to perform. Now this line prints the text hello world. Okay, println tells the system to print a line of text. Inside the parenthesis, these parentheses, okay, you put the text to be printed. Notice that the text to be printed is surrounded by quotes. These are the quotes. This tells the system that everything inside the quotation mark should be everything inside the quotation mark should be printed exactly as it is. So to actually print the text, the whole println instruction has to be inside the main function. Okay, so far that is clear. Now we will be learning more about the print function. What about we don't write ln here? What happens when we run this program? So when we run this program, we will find that the output is same to same. There is no change in the output. So what is the difference between print and println? When I add one more line here and that say print hi, and when I run this program, you will find the difference. So this hi is printed just right after the hello world, even if I have wrote it in the next line. And when I give the command println here, then what will happen? So I have run this program and we will let it compile. Now you can see that hi is printed on the next line. So we can conclude that the ln in the println stands for next line, or we can say when we use println, the text inside the quotation mark is printed in the next line. So for this you can also use the \n or the escape sequence. So I'll be demonstrating that. So in this under this quotation mark, when I use \n here and run this program, so here we can find that again the hi is under the hello world. So what this \n command tells you, or the escape sequence tells the program, when I enter into the print hello world, and then this backslash n tells me to go to the next line and then print hi. Okay, so that's about the backslash n command. Now we will talk about some comments in Kotlin. So I have to write here that this is my first code. So how I write here, and when I write this thing here, this text here, this has no effect on the code. So after using this to slash this program, this sentence is not a part of code. So the symbol slash slash uh, represents a single line comment which tells the compiler to ignore everything from this symbol to the end of the line. Okay, typically single line comment is used to make a quick comment about a single line of code. So comments are very important in any code, because after some time, after 1 month, 2 month or 3 month, when I will be looking in the code, I will not be recognizing anything in it. Or I can say that when when me and my friend are working on a project and I have to share my code with him, so he also should understand the thing which I have used in code and why I am used that in code. So that's why these are important comment. Okay, so what if I have to write a multi-line command, such that I have to write 3-4 lines of command. So I will use this symbol, and this pair of symbols denotes a multi-line comment. So it tells the compiler that everything that comes under this and this symbol should be ignored. Okay, so these are about the comment.